Hi there, and welcome back to Learn English with Kaz. Today's word is strong, inspiring, and something you can use in real life. Let's explore the word resilient. Resilient is an adjective. It means able to recover quickly from difficult situations. In simple words, when life gets tough, resilient people bounce back. Let's practice the pronunciation together. Resilient. Now say it normally. Resilient. Well done. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use it. Example 1. After the storm, the village stayed resilient and rebuilt their homes. Example 2. Children are so resilient. They fall, cry, and then go right back to playing. Example 3. He failed the test, but he was resilient. He studied harder and passed the next one. Now it's your turn. Can you think of a time you were resilient? Type your example in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Here's a bonus tip. The noun form of resilient is resilience. For example, her resilience helped her through hard times. So, resilient, that's the adjective. Resilience, that's the noun. Let's quickly review. Resilient is an adjective. It means being able to bounce back after something difficult. For example, she's resilient after losing her job. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new word. And if you have a friend learning English, share this video with them too. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, you are more resilient than you think. See you in the next video.